Creating new campaigns within the Predictive Dialer is easy. Be sure that you're logged in as an administrator, and then click on the Campaigns tab. Once there, click on the Create New Campaign button. To create a new campaign, we can do one of two things. We can either load a campaign that we already have created and then just change a few things on it, or we can start from scratch. In this instance, we'll start from scratch. So we'll give the campaign a name, and we'll give the campaign a description. And then we'll decide what the caller ID name is, and the caller ID number. The never call before time makes sure that the system does not call a number before a certain time based off of its area code. So if you're in the East Coast and you're dialing to the West Coast, it will determine what time it is by the West Coast phone number. The area code will determine that. The same goes for the never call after. The max call retries allows the system to retry a number if it does not get a hold of that person at that number, should it be a busy signal or a no answer. You can retry that number up to 8 times in the system, and as few times as 0. In this instance, we'll set it for 2 retries. The dial rate override determines whether or not you're dialing in Predictive Dialer mode or not. When it's on auto, that is Predictive Dialer mode. However, you can dial 1 line at a time, 2 lines at a time, up to 5 lines at a time, or you can set it to inbound, which you would need to have an inbound DID number associated with the Predictive Dialer account. In this instance, we'll set it to auto, which again is true Predictive Dialer mode. The wait for agent determines how long the system will wait and keep a customer on hold if all of your agents are busy. If after that determined amount of time the agents are still busy, the system will drop the call that is holding. Use AMD stands for Use Answering Machine Detection. If this box is not checked, then the system will not recognize answering machines and it will forward them to your agents. At this time, your agents would be able to leave a message, or they can click on the Leave Voicemail message, which will leave a message that has been pre-recorded by you and uploaded to the system on the answering machine. If you check this box, the system will recognize answering machines and it will not transfer them to your agents. In this case, we will not detect answering machines. Click on Add Campaign. And now your new campaign is at the bottom of the list, ready for you to load your leads. If you need to make any changes to your campaign, click on the pencil and you can edit the settings that we were just looking at. To upload a list of leads, click on the Add or Recycle icon. You can delete your list of leads by clicking on the Remove Contacts icon. If you decide to have your agents click on a Leave Voicemail button in their screen, this is where you would set what voicemail you would be leaving. When the campaign is running, you can view graph statistics that are live. You can also export reports that will email them to any email address that you ask them to email to see what's going on in your account.